Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra, and I was working on a meeting prep over the weekend, and I was sitting by the computer and I noticed an email drop in my mailbox from Quora, which is that social Q&A type forum, and it was I guess it was sort of an email digest of the cool things that people were asking and answering on the website. And I usually ignore those sort of things, and but the title of it was kind of catchy. It said, why, something along the lines of why the U.S. government isn't using flamethrowers anymore. So I said, okay, fine, I'll click on it. So I clicked on it and went to the site, and yeah, so what do you think? What do you guys think? Well, when I went to the site, certain things that I expected. Obviously, the flamethrower is dated technology, so there was some discussion on that, right? How rifles are more effective, how the use was kind of limited, and other things, all technical things, how it was kind of dangerous to operate. But one response really stuck out. And someone said they talked to a World War II vet that used to operate one of those flamethrowers. And he said he was stuck with using the flamethrower. And I thought, stuck, okay, well, what's that about? So I dug deeper, and he was saying that whenever the flamethrower guy lit up and started blasting away, it didn't matter if the enemies were firing at the guy that had the machine gun, or they were dealing with the person that had the grenade. It didn't matter what else they were doing at the time. The flamethrower would make everyone pause, take attention, and all start firing at the flamethrower guy to take that person out. So essentially, it was a bullet magnet. And in my meeting prep, I was working on our mission and vision, which we sort of come back to every once in a while and review it. And one of the key important things about a mission or vision is it's all about what you put out in the world. Whether you put out negativity, like the flamethrower, you're spreading nastiness, but you're putting negativity out there, then you become a magnet for negativity as well. But if you have a mission that's just not on paper, but you're actually living it, and you're putting out positivity in the world, you're generally trying to help people, and you care above and beyond the nuts and bolts of running a company, generating revenue and sales, but you have a greater mission that people can come towards, and a vision that people can get around and push forward, then you're going to be much more effective as an organization, and it'll help you transition from just a bunch of talented people having entrepreneurial skills to an organization that has big impact and can make big change. Anyways, it's Tats here. That's what I got, and I'll talk to you again soon.